How to use ChatGPT for SEO. Hi guys, today we're going to talk about this platform called ChatGPT. ChatGPT is very famous right now and millions of people are using ChatGPT for so many things. And today we're going to focus on its ability for SEO. Now the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to Google and then we're going to search this item over here, ARPRM SEO, and then click enter. And then you're going to select the first option over here that says APRM for ChatGPT. Now, the next thing you're going to do is you're simply going to click install into your browser. And then after doing that, we will now be able to use this extension for our ChatGPT. For those who doesn't know what this is an extra free tool for ChatGPT that will help you make even better contents or even better outputs that you have ever thought before. So after doing that, we're going to go to our ChatGPT, and this is what our ChatGPT would look like. Before I focus on the SEO, I'm going to give you an overview tour of how this works. So the first thing we're going to see over here is the public prompts. Under public prompts, this is where we will be able to use prompt templates that other people has created, and then we can reuse it for our own. For example, we can see over here that human written 100% unique SEO optimized article. This will contain prompts that will allow ChatGPT to create human-like written and is 100% unique for SEO articles. As you know, ChatGPT is easily detectable by different AI detectors, and it will say that their contents is created by an AI. But with the use of these different templates, these different prompt templates, it will be able to create outputs that not even AI detectors could detect. Maybe some, but it would not be able to detect at 100%. There's also other prompts over here, like a prompt generator for Midjourney if you want to create different AI art. There's also an outrank article option over here, fully SEO optimized article, including FAQs. And you could see over here, you could edit the amount of prompts you want to display per page. Prompts you are looking at over here, you can click on next, and then you would be able to view different types of prompts over here. Now, to scroll up, we saw earlier that we have topics, activities, sort by, and then the search engine over here. By clicking on topics, you would be able to see all the different topics that you can create out of. For example, you have copywriting, DevOps, generative AI, marketing, operating system, productivity, SaaS, SEO, and many more. For the activity, there's also accounting, back-end development, call to action, cancel, configuration management, and many more. You can also create games, ideation, improve, keyword, link building, marketing, mid-journey, and all of this option over here you can select. And to sort what you are seeing first, you can click on sort by, and then we would be able to see top views or top votes or latest updates over here. We can also click over here on the right, top right. It says own prompts, and over here we will be able to create our own prompt template that we can maybe share to the public for others to use if you know how to create a prompt or if you have an idea of what prompt you want to create. And you could like select the topic that you want, select the specific activity that you are targeting, and then you would be able to create your own template. Now, the first thing we're going to do is click on topic, and then we're going to click on SEO because that is what we are focusing on right now. After selecting a topic, our prompts over here will be filtered out so that the only topic being shown is SEO related. And we're going to scroll down, and the first thing you're going to do is this keyword strategy. What we're going to try to do today is we're going to ask ChatGPT to create us an article that will be on the top list on the Google searches. For example, we're going to create an article about fishing. We're going to go to Google, and then we're going to search fishing. Let's like that. And we're going to see different articles of fishing over here. And that's what we're going to create an article about. And the article that ChatGPT will be able to create will be an amazing article that will be able to go to the top ranking of the article list. For example, it will show up on the first page of Google over here. So what we're going to do is, for example, this article over here, fishing and farming methods. So we're going to do that first. Fishing and farming method. And then we're going to click on enter. And we're just simply going to wait for ChatGPT to create our prompt for this specific topic. And as you can see, ChatGPT gave us this content over here. We have the keyword cluster over here, which is fishing methods. We have the keyword like the best fishing techniques, fishing knots, fly fishing techniques. The search intent, we have the informational. Most of this is informational. The title that we can use and the meta description. And using this information that ChatGPT has provided us, we can take advantage of this information, and then we would be able to create SEOs that could potentially go to the top ranking in the Google. Now, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to scroll up and we're going to click on Outrank article. Now, the next thing we're going to do after clicking this is we're going to put in our competitor URL. So like I did earlier, I'm going to go here. I'm going to open the article that we want to fight against. And I'm going to click on this URL link over here, go back to ChatGPT and then paste our URL. We're going to wait for it to generate our content. And as we are seeing right now, it's creating contents for our article that we can use later on. By taking advantage of this, you would be able to create amazing SEOs that you can use for yourselves. And now this is the final information or description that ChatGPT has given to us. We also have a code over here, and it is up to us to take advantage of what we have right now. Aside from SEO, you could use this extension to do other things like I said earlier. You could do topics for copywriting, DevOps, generative AI, marketing, operating system, productivity, SaaS, SEO, software application, software engineering, unsure. You could just look for the prompt that you need and take advantage of it. Make use of this extension, and then don't limit yourself to creating SEO. You could literally make ChatGPT to create editing for you, prompts. It will be able to create outputs that are much better than using ChatGPT as normal. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.